gonna be exploring many fidget toys. Starting with a lumpy tomato head. You can see here, you can either do or spin it like this and go like that, or you could just stretch it out and release, which will not be the pleasantest thing in the world, but it'll still be okay. And moving on to the second one. This may take a second. Now we're back with two puppets. First one's a little chain and puppy. And the other one's bigger, like this big. And you can pop it and it's pretty good. And moving on to the next thing, it will be a slinky. Well, that will be at the very end. So the next thing will be putties. And I'm coming right back. I'm back with two putties, two themes of putties. So there's one that's a thinking putty, Mr. Glacier. And if you're wondering what's on my nails, I have new nail polish. I might be a bit young, but it's still fine for 2 days. And this one can glow in the dark. Do you want to see it glow? If that's a yes, don't skip. If that's a yes, don't skip this part. If that's a no, skip this part. And I'm doing it again at the end. So if you don't want to see how it works, you can just skip the ending part and skip this part, which is gonna take a bit of a second. And here we go. You see this? I showed you it before. For my putty, glow in the dark. Just like this. You can see it's a bit greenish now, but only if you see it in real life, not in the yeah, so you see, it's dark. And the other one's magnetic. So, this is magnetic putty. And I have a magnet for it upstairs. Yeah. So, you take a bit of this putty, about this much, I guess, and you run up into a circle, squish it, find any good magnets, and use the magnet to move it. As you can see, this one side is gonna repel, and yeah, it's not working on my iPad, but it'll work on the magnet. And now we're gonna move on to the next fidget. Squishy ball! balls. One right here and one right here. This one is the sparkly one, and this one is the glow in the dark one. Perhaps I show you. Now can you see? I think the ball's worn up. But trust me, I used to do it. But I used to, not right now. So, I have a table full of fidgets. You might be wondering what the Slinky, one of them's broken, and there's two other ones that's small. I came with the very small Slinky. As you can see, if I drop it in the air, if you turn on snow mode, you would see that like going like this, and then it was falling. That's a cool trick. So you could see there's a good. It didn't fall. Turn on snow mode if you want to see it not fall. And now we're gonna take all of it up. Yep. Starting with the first one, the wonky bonky, stretch, step, spin, and the two fidgets, pop, pop, pop. Then we're gonna go to the squishy balls, and now you see I have additional squishy. Hooray! And a tri-soft squish. And moving on to the slimes, putties, squish, 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 and putty. And the last one, snakes. And also, bigger snakes can be used to run down the staircase. And you see, this won't fall until they touch each other, which is pretty cool. And that's all for today. See you another time at Alicia's Storyland.